welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing absolutely great. Well, fighting hair fall has never been easy and I am having a lot of hair fall currently. I really want to stop my hair fall. I think because of the pollution, because of the weather changes and because of heat styling, we usually damage our hair. So I need a certain hair care range which will solve this problem of hair fall. Trust me guys, no hair care brand and hair care range can solve the hair fall problem completely, but it can lessen the amount of hair fall. Like 50 strands of hair fall is considered as normal hair fall, and above 50 strands of hair fall is considered as abnormal hair fall. If you are having a huge abnormal hair fall, just visit a doctor. Only the doctor can help you guys. But if you are having a very normal hair fall, then I think a product hair care range can solve your problem of hair loss. So for today I have chosen a very good hair care kit for myself, and I'll be showing you the demo as well as I'll be discussing about the particular brand. Well, the brand name is Wow Skin Science, and we all know that Wow is so very popular in our Indian market. It is absolutely an Indian brand. So today I'm going to talk about the Wow Skin Science Red Onion Black Seed Oil Shampoo as well as conditioner. Just after one hair wash, I have understood how good these products are for my hair. Stay tuned with this full video to know more details about this particular product, and also do not miss the demonstration of my hair. So keep on watching. This is how the outer packaging looks like, guys. It comes in a cardboard box like this. All the details regarding the shampoo and the conditioner are mentioned on their outer packaging, as well as their batch number, manufacturing date, and the price, quantity is all mentioned on their outer packaging. How the inner packaging looks like, guys. It comes with a plastic pump style bottle. Both the shampoo and the conditioner looks exactly the same. The Wow Red Onion Black Seed Oil Shampoo and the Red Onion Black Seed Oil Hair Conditioner is dermatologically tested, suitable for all hair types. No parabens, no sulfate, no fake, no silicones, no mineral oil, no color, and it is absolutely an Indian brand. It is made in India. Also cruelty-free product. It is 100% vegan and gluten-free. Red Onion Black Seed Oil Shampoo and the Red Onion Black Seed Oil Hair Conditioner is infused with red onion seed oil extract and black seed oil for enhanced hair texture and sheen. This is how the consistency of the shampoo and the conditioner looks like, guys. It has a very thin consistency, not too thick, not too runny. The Wow Skin Science Red Onion Black Seed Oil Shampoo and Conditioner Hair Care range is inspired by natural ancient wisdom. It's a one-stop solution to hair fall, 100% natural, fights hair loss and hair thinning. Now let's move on to the demonstration. Apply the shampoo in your wet hair, massage it for 2 to 3 minutes, then wash it off with warm water. Try to wash your hair with lukewarm water, then with cold water to seal the cuticles and add smoothness and shine. Apply the conditioner on your washed hair going from mid-length to tip. Avoid applying this on scalp. Leave for 2 to 3 minutes. Wash it off nicely with plenty of cold water. Rinse to lay the cuticles flat for extra smoothness and shine. So both the Wow Red Onion Black Seed Oil Shampoo and Conditioner helps strengthening, softening and restoring shine of your hair. Both the shampoo and conditioner retails for rupees 374 and contains 250 ml of product. You can also purchase their healthy hair kit, which is priced at rupees 748, and the quantity of the box is 500 ml. So the Wow Skin Science Red Onion Black Seed Oil Shampoo and Conditioner is the one-stop solution for your hair fall and hair thinning. Be wow naturally. Well, the website link will be in my description box below. Do check it out, guys, as well as the product details, and the product link will be in my description box below. Do check it out, guys. The Wow Skin Science hair care range is available in all the online websites like Nykaa, Purple, Amazon, Flipkart, as well as you can also visit their personal website. The link will be in my description box below. Do have a look, and if you really enjoyed today's helpful and informative video, then please do like my video, like, comment, share, follow all of my social medias, my Instagram and my will be in my description box as well as on the screen. So thank you for watching me guys. Love you. Take care. Have fun and just stay tuned with my next video. Bye.